How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today at the Patrick Auto Body and Collision Center, and today we're going to be talking about everything PDR. That's Paintless Dent Repair. So we're going to be talking with Diego, one of our PDR techs, and he's going to walk you through the process on how they use a few simple tools to remove dents from your car without needing to use any crazy techniques or paint or anything like that, and make your paint finish look flawless and make your car surfaces as smooth as they were when leaving the factory. So let's go talk to Diego and see how it works.
Hello, my name is Diego Rodriguez. We're here at the Patrick's Collision Center. I'm here to explain what the PDR process is, which is a process of having to remove big dents, small dents, or even hail damage without repainting your car, which is really good of a plus for the owner because it helps you maintain the value of your car. It's not really much to PDR other than that. I'll see if I can try and show you a small dent. See if you can capture this small door ding here. Kind of shows the people a way of the type of dents we do around here. So we try to fix this with metal tools without having to repaint your car. So it's always a plus. So this is one of our hand tools that we use. Here, get a little close up on how the dimensions are to these tools that help us fix our door dings. And in this car specifically, we had a door ding close to the handle, and luckily we have open access, so we pretty much stick our tool right through there and just start the process of pushing. And we try to get that center on with the door dings, so we get to like about a 98% perfection with these dents. We do use a LED light. A tech like me likes to use a LED light. That kind of helps us with to see the dents a lot better. There's some techs that like to use line boards. It all depends on the tech, whatever they feel more comfortable with. We also have more tools on this side. They come in different sizes, different lengths. Some are thick, some are small. And I mean like real small, you know, as thin as possible. We try to get every single tool we can there to perfect these dents. Always try to check out a PDR process before you decide to paint your car. And always check us out here at Patrick.
All right, thank you all so much for watching the video. I had a great time making it for you. Hope you learned a little something along the way as well. If you do need any paintless dent repair work on your car, please reach out to us at the Auto Body and Collision Center. We'll be happy to help you out. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.